Hi and welcome. I'm Walter Trupp from Trupp Cooking School, and today I want to show you the easy no-bake cake recipe using my Electrolux Masterpiece blender. It only takes a few minutes, it's packed with raw ingredients, and that makes it also very healthy. And by the way, it tastes absolutely delicious too. Place all the ingredients for the crust into the blender bowl. Press the power button, followed by the ice crush button, and blend together until sticky. Transfer it into a cake ring and with your fingers press it down firmly, especially on the edges. Place the cashews, choose orange zest, coconut oil and honey into the Electrolux Masterpiece Collection blender. Close it. Press the power button followed by the 3 button and process for 2 minutes. Pour it onto the cake and place it into the fridge for approximately 6 hours. To take it out, heat the cake ring, remove it, then garnish it with some pistachio nuts, some figs which you cut in half, and a few edible flowers. Now how easy was that? It only took me a few minutes. There's no baking required using my Electrolux Masterpiece blender. Now if you don't have any figs, you just can top the cake with a few orange slices. Thank you for watching. Tune in for some more quick and easy recipes with Electrolux and Trupp Cooking School.